Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this short video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily fix SSD drive or a normal drive which is not working in your Windows or computer. So let's get started. You need to press Windows and R key together, or at the start icon, just simply do a right click and go for run. So in this manner, this new window will appear. Here you need to type disk mgmt.msc, then click OK to open. Okay. So once you're here at the disk management, just have to simply expand it. And in this manner, you need to look for the disk which is allocated. Okay. So in my case, I don't see any allocated drive. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So you can see here in the image, it has this unallocated. So it will look like this in your disk management. And once you find it, just do a right click and go for format. So let's say for example, this my drive is unallocated. Just have to do a right click and go for format, okay? So that's how it works, okay? So once done, just have to check again if your SSD drive or your normal drive is working, and let's say if it doesn't, then just simply close this window. And we need to go for device manager. Now how we can do that, at the start icon again, do a right click and go for device manager, tap it to open. So once you're here at the device manager, expand it again, and here you need to you need to find IDE if you're using a normal drive, or if you're using a SSD drive, then these drives will appear, okay? So once you find it, click this arrow, forward arrow, and then select the drives which are present in your computer, okay? So if you're using an a normal two to three drives will appear. But if you're using these drives, it will also appear only one or two, okay? Just have to do a right click here and go for uninstall device. The moment you click on that, it will uninstall the device and plugged in again your drive if it's working. Just have to check it if it's working. And let's see if it doesn't, then you need to plug out your USB drive, okay? So just check if it's loose or you have the faulty one, okay? So that's it. That's how easy to fix your SSD drive or your normal drive which is not working in your computer. Hopefully those basic steps help you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.